Today we're diving into an annoying problem that plagues so many households: flies. Yep, those pesky insects that just can't seem to stay away. But don't worry, this problem is absolutely solvable, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So, let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the source. First off, you need to figure out where these flies are coming from. Check your drains, trash cans, and any open food sources. If you find a specific area that's a fly magnet, clean it thoroughly. A study from Penn State College of Agricultural Sciences in 2018 found that poor sanitation is one of the main reasons flies are attracted to homes. Step 2. Eliminate food sources. Seal your food in airtight containers and make sure you take out the trash regularly. No food, no flies. Simple as that. The University of California's statewide integrated pest management program concurs that this is a crucial step in getting rid of flies. Step 3. Prepare a DIY fly trap. To make a homemade fly trap, you'll need apple cider vinegar, sugar, and dish soap. Mix them together in a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and punch some small holes in the top. Place it where you see the most flies. The vinegar and sugar attract the flies while the soap traps them. An article by the Washington Post in 2019 vouches for the effectiveness of this DIY trap. Step 4. Use essential oils. Flies hate the smell of essential oils like lavender, eucalyptus, and peppermint. Add a few drops of these oils to a cotton ball and place it where flies frequent. Rutgers University conducted research back in 2015 that shows essential oils can be effective insect repellents. Step 5. Light some citronella candles. These candles are not just for mosquitoes, they also keep flies away. Light a few around the home, especially near windows and entrances. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, recognizes citronella as an effective natural repellent. Step 6. Invest in an electric fly zapper. If you've tried everything and still have a fly problem, consider using an electric fly zapper. Make sure to follow all safety guidelines when installing and using it. Many scientific reviews, including a 2020 study from Insects Journal, have discussed its effectiveness in trapping and killing flies. Step 7. Routine checks. Once you've implemented these measures, don't forget to regularly check your traps, replace your essential oils, and generally keep your space clean. Maintenance is key. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be on your way to a fly-free home in no time. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Until next time.